Students, radial symmetry or monoaxial heteropolar symmetry. Which animals shows the radial symmetry or monoaxial heteropolar symmetry? Monoaxial means axis is single. Heteropolar, poles are different, having differ in poles. Symmetry. Axis is single axis in these animals, poles different, and that is the single axis is principal axis. It is also called oroarboreal axis. Oroarboreal axis, that is the axis is through the mouth and without having the mouth. Oro, students, oro means having mouth of that side having mouth. Oral means arboreal, that means does not having the mouth, that side does not having the mouth. Okay, hence that is the axis is with mouth and the without mouth, hence the name oroarboreal axis. Students, having many planes in this type of the symmetry. Any plane that passing through the central part of the central axis of the body that divides the organism into two equal parts, that is called radially symmetric animals. The passing of the showing of the symmetry is called radial symmetry. Okay, any plane, not a single plane, any plane that passing through the central axis of the body, the animal can be divided into right and the left or two equal parts, that is called radial symmetry. Okay, these animals are sessile forms. Sessile means attaches to the base. Entire the body of animal attaches to the base. Sessile. Next, planktonic means these are aquatic animals, water animals, does not have the propel in water, either drift in water or float on the water. Planktonic forms. Next, sluggish animals means slow moving animals on the land. Okay, these are radially symmetric animals available in sessile forms, planktonic forms or sluggish forms. Next, which animals shows the radial symmetry? Cnidarians and ctenophores. Animals belongs from the Cnidaria, phylum Cnidaria, and from the Ctenophora. Ctenophores are marine animals, only present in lives in the marine water. Animals from these two phylums are shows the radial symmetry, lives in water and respond equally to stimuli that are arrived from the surrounding areas of the animal. Next, students, triploblastic animals, actually these are the animals does not shows the radial symmetry. Triploblastic animals shows the bilateral symmetry, but some animals belongs from the Echinodermata, phylum Echinodermata, belongs from the echinoderms. Example, starfish or the sea star shows secondarily radially symmetric animals. Secondarily, these animals shows the radial symmetry. Okay, larva stage of the sea star or starfish shows the bilateral symmetry. When it is develops into the adult one, growth into the adult form, that loses its bilateral symmetry and shows the pentamerous radial symmetry, shows the radial symmetry, that is called pentamerous radial symmetry. Student, having five planes, if you observe symmetry of the starfish, this is the one plane, this is the one plane passing through the central axis, body can be divided into two equal parts. It is the another one of the plane, the body can be divided into right and the left side, and it is the one of the plane, body can be divided into two equal parts. Okay, there are five planes, 1 2 3 4 5 planes are there. Okay, any one of the plane that passes through the central axis of the body can be divided into two equal parts. C star showing pentamerous radial symmetry. Students, next, another, if you observe body plan of the hydra, student, it is the hydra, these are the tentacles which helps in locomotion and the collection of the food particle, injection of the food into the body. These are tentacles. Okay, this is the hydra. Okay, having two planes is there, one is the plane 1, this is the plane 1. Okay student, it is the plane 1. Next, another plane 2, it is the plane 2, it is the plane 2. Any one of the plane that passes through the central axis, principal axis, it is the central axis, principal axis, it is also called oroaboral axis. Student, if you observe this side having the mouth, okay, so it is called oral. And if you observe ventral side does not have the mouth, so it is called aboral. If you observe dorsal side having the mouth, dorsal side having the mouth, it is called oral. Okay, this is the central axis is with the mouth and the without mouth, hence it is the axis called oroaboral axis. Okay, any one of the plane that passes through the central axis of the body of hydra is divided into two equal parts. Okay, that is called radial symmetry. Okay student, radial symmetry is shown by the hydra, belongs from the phylum Cnidaria. C star shows the pentamerous radial symmetry, belongs from the phylum Echinodermata. Okay,